Why you always in the mood? Messing around acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Messing around acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Yeah. Why you always in the mood? Messing around acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do.
The students of Smp Negeri Weleri organized a donation program to help flood victims in the surrounding area. They collected various necessities such as instant food, toiletries, cooking oil, sugar, and soap. Each student contributed according to their ability. The donation collection took place in their respective classroom for 2 days, and the teacher and homeroom teacher assisted in distributing the collected items. From these donation activities, food, daily necessities, and other urgent supplies were collected. The donations were then given to flood victims through a local humanitarian group. Homeroom teacher gathered food from student packet and sent it to the disaster victims. We are very grateful and proud to be able to participate in this donation activity. Seeing the enthusiasm of friends, teachers, and all the school members in helping others give a sense of emotions and happiness. Through this flood awareness movement, we have learned that care and mutual cooperation are important values in life. We hope that the assistance provided can ease the burden of the flood victims and help them rise again. We hope that this program will not only be a spontaneous action, but also an inspiration for other schools to do the same. In the future, we hope that more people will care for others and be willing to share